Hi guys, welcome to my channel today. So today, hi. So today we'll be looking at a very interesting title, very interesting title that says 17 niche business ideas that no one is talking about and they are low competition. All right, they are low competition, meaning that there are as in the people running these business models are not so much. Like if you start now, you stand a higher chance of succeeding at this business than any other one. All right. So today we'll be looking at um some of these business ideas, all right, and then leverage on them. So we are going to be uncovering these hidden opportunities because in today's crowded market, finding a unique business idea with minimal competition can be a game changer. Instead of competing with established players, consider exploring niche markets like this that have untapped potential. All right. So here we're going to be looking at 17 innovative business ideas with relatively low competition. Okay. So that being said, let's get the ball rolling. So the first one is personalized meal planning for chronic um, illnesses. So you could just create customized meal plans for individuals with specific chronic conditions such as diabetes, gluten intolerance, or celiac diseases. Okay, so this with this alone you can earn so much. You could just find an online course, study this, and then start you know um giving this out as a paid service. All right. So the second one is eco-friendly pet products. So you could develop sustainable biodegradable pet accessories like toys and grooming products for pets, and then you sell to pet shops. Just sell it to pet shops, not like direct users, to pet shops at a good rate so they can sell to the direct. So you selling to pet shops will help you to sell in volumes, all right? So that the pet shops will now sell to the end users, all right? Okay. So the third one is virtual reality therapy for anxiety disorders. So we live in a world where there are pressures everywhere. People tend to, get anxiety easily these days. So offering immersive virtual reality experience to help them overcome anxiety disorders will pay you so much. All right. So meanwhile, you have to get to study about these disorders and then move forward to learning about virtual reality therapies before you could do this. But this pays a lot. Yeah. So the fourth one says customized 3D printed prosthetics. All right. So you could design and manufacture personalized prosthetics using 3D printing technology and sell for a good cash. The fifth one is special needs travel planning. So there are people who have whose loved ones are of special needs. Okay, so they need the help of someone else to help them plan the travel needs of their special needs loved one. Okay, so if you can do this, you would earn a lot. So you could plan and coordinate accessible travel experiences for individuals with disabilities and earn a living doing this. The sixth one is art therapy for seniors. All right. So you could provide art therapy sessions and workshops specifically for seniors, like I mean the elderly ones, and make some money doing this. The seventh one is sustainable event planning. So this has to do with offering eco-friendly event planning services that is focused on zero waste and environmentally responsible practices. So this is a very good niche that anybody who is passionate about um environmental and eco-friendly stores should you know tap into. So that being said, let's move to this eighth one. The eighth one is customized educational content for neurodiverse children. All right. So if you can develop personalized educational materials and resources for children with neurodiverse conditions, you will earn a lot doing so. So these are stuff that not everybody does or not much people do. That when you venture into them, you will make a killing. Doing this. When you build an agency or a brand on any of these niche ideas, you will make a killing doing so. So that being said, let's move to the ninth one. The ninth one says mobile bike repairs and maintenance. Especially in the US, this is a sort of a skill that not everybody knows about. So if you can provide on-site bike repair and maintenance services, you would earn a very massive income, doing so. The 10th one is wellness coaching for remote workers. So if you can offer wellness coaching and self-care services tailored to remote workers, you would earn a lot doing this. The 11th one is personalized skincare for sensitive skin. So if you can create a customized skincare product and routine for individuals with sensitive skins, you could make a killing doing so. The 12th one is customized home organization for seniors. So seniors are the elderly ones who are sometimes they are weak, sometimes they don't even have the agility to organize their homes. If you can provide home organization services specifically designed for them, you would earn a lot doing so. The 13th one is virtual wardrobe consulting. So if you are very good in with fashion and all, you could start offering virtual wardrobe consulting services, helping clients optimize their wardrobe and reduce waste. And this will earn you a lot. The 14th one is environmental consulting for small businesses. So if you can help small businesses implement sustainable practices and reduce their environmental impact, you would earn so much doing this. So you could go on Google and find out how you can get started by taking some free online courses on sites like Allison and all. Yeah, you could just get started with those. 15th one is customized fitness programs for chronic pain. So if you can develop a personalized fitness program for individuals managing chronic pain, you will earn so much doing so. The 16th one is accessible technology consulting. So if you can provide consulting services to make technology more accessible for individuals with disabilities, you would earn a lot doing so. So the 17th one and the last but not the least on our list today says sustainable landscaping and gardening. So if you can offer eco-friendly landscaping and gardening services, focusing on sustainable practices and native plant species, you would you would be paid handsomely doing so. So you could do this in people's neighborhood, their street, roads, parks, and then they'll pay you so much doing so because there are not good number of people in this niche already. So you need to study what sustainable landscaping and gardening is practice it, and then make sure you are excellent at that before you start pitching your proposals to individuals, businesses, companies, brands, and organizations. All right, so before we end the video, let's look at an important aspect of this video that says key benefits of niche businesses. All right, one of the key benefits is less competition, so you don't have a lot of people or big brands to compete with. Secondly, you have targeted marketing. At least you know the people services are meant for, and then you target for advertisement to them. So the third one